Also breaking here, Governor Healy announcing a new push to prevent wrong-way driving in Massachusetts. It follows multiple recent wrong-way crashes, including one on Route 1 in Linfield that killed a state trooper last month. News Center 5's Ted Wayman is live in Danvers. And Ted, Trooper Trainer's family is with the governor today.
They were today. Now, Jessica, today's news conference is all about highway safety and specifically stopping wrong-way drivers. Now, the governor gathered with families who've lost loved ones in wrong-way crashes in the past few weeks and months, including the family of Trooper Kevin Trainer, who died last week in the line of duty trying to stop a wrong-way driver just a short distance from this barracks. Other family members included Endicott College security officer who died at the hands of a wrong-way driver and a Gloucester teenager who died last year in a wrong-way driver crash.
I don't want any family to ever again be woken up in the middle of the night by the police or get a knock on their door telling them that their loved one has been killed by a wrong-way driver.
Now, this afternoon, the governor got a show and tell of new technology that's being rolled out across the state, including lighted signs, new ramp design, and sensors alerting police a wrong-way driver is in the area. This program has a budget of $75 million and will include 400 locations across the state. Now, we just learned late this afternoon, earlier today, technology that you're looking at, and also they were talking about today, was deployed in this area and actually alerted a wrong-way driver they were going in the wrong way. They successfully turned around, and this was a good story to tell as they were rolling out this news conference. We're live in Danvers. I'm Ted Wayman, WCVB, News Center 5.
Ted, thank you.